Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkonye and I'm also known as NdiNaija. Ja. Yo, I was unable to do a plan with me during my last Saturday morning live, so I decided to go off camera, do a little bit of planning, and then come back here. So today we're going to do an after the pen spread. This week we're keeping it inspirational and then adding some doll stickers from Oh So Paper. Yes, these here are stuff I need to do and scriptures that I need to focus on this week because I need to get my mind right. Okay, don't know about you guys, but personally I need to get my mind right. Now I'm just going to outline breakfast, or the time that, I'm supposed to have breakfast. Might as well go ahead and outline my meetings as well. I have a meeting at 11 on Monday and Wednesday. And these meetings have always been virtual, these two meetings. So that's good, right? Next, we have Taekwondo. Let's put that at 5. Okay. All right, I might as well put an outline for dinner. Say what we're having for dinner this week. I haven't decided on all of it. I prefer to write my dinners afterwards. And then in my other notebook, where the notebook where I do my inventories and stuff like that, in there I would write down what I plan that we should have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now this week I'm going to try, or I'm going to add something for us to do this week. When I say us, I mean my kid and I, just in case you are new to my channel. I'm a single parent of one lovely 5-year-old kid. I think during my lunch break we're going to start doing a little walk or riding his bike, just for an opportunity to get some sun, because we're going to be driving less and less as COVID-19 cases increase in our city. Let's see. So I have a meeting here, and then I have another one at 10:30, and then the kid has a Zoom meeting. I shouldn't have done this I should not have done this at 12, but it is fine. Now I'm going to write his activities in a different color, and ours also in a different, and mine or ours in a different color. So we have 6 o'clock for dinner. And I still have space for my little decoration thingies. Let's start with the kid activities, and let's put that in this. Let's put that in that light orange pen that I saw the other day. So he has something here. And here. Yes, the 5-year-old is having Zoom meetings, as I think a lot of children around the country. This is Taekwondo. We will do drop off. And then we will have pick up. I want to use my blue pen for my stuff. Ooh, this is turning to be a rainbow spread. Episode 55 is this week. What did I say we would do? Bike or walk? Oh, these are meetings. Okay. These are meetings. So we have this over here. This is an opportunity to get some sunlight and just see the outside. Bike or walk. He's no longer taking a nap, so yay me. Bike or walk. Okay, and then meetings. What do we have? We don't have a staff meeting this week. That's breakfast. Meeting. I have another meeting Friday at 1:30. Lest I forget. Long meetings. Long meetings. I thank God for the opportunity. Thank God for the opportunity, because me having meetings means I have a job, right? And I have my project meetings. We're going to have an early breakfast here because of my meeting. All right, so do we have all that done? Going to add another day here for Taekwondo. Now, he prefers to do Taekwondo Tuesdays and Thursdays because that's been our schedule since last August. But with the different forms of upheaval that have happened since January, I'm trying to change things up a little bit. Okay, so that's that. I need my habits for the week. So let's see, I have morning exercise. Morning exercise, I have veggie for breakfast. I need to incorporate some sort of vegetable product for breakfast. And the next thing was, what was it? Dinner by 7:30. And then I'm trying to go to bed at 9:30. Last night was not good at all. So let's see. Bed by 9:30. And I discovered this week that I found that somebody has a planner coming out, the Live Rich planner by Kumiko, who is the budget mom. And she has a Leverage planner coming out, and that planner is going to start at 4:30. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This would normally be me, but it is not. It honestly is not. So that's here. Monday. On Thursday, we have site visits. So this is going to be Saturday. I need to remember that. Doing site visits first thing in the morning so that I can avoid people. Yes. We're doing everything possible to avoid people. I work in construction, so I am an essential employee. And I have to visit my sites to see what's going on because construction still has to go on. Still has to go on. The rest of this is just decoration. The basic plans are in. Breakfast time, and then there's a meeting right there. Other meetings, lunch time, and dinner time. And that's it. There's Bible study here online. We're not going to church. Have the faith things down. Uh-oh. I realize now that I should have zoomed in for you guys a while ago. The last thing I have to do is the sidebar to determine all the things that So I started with the Oso paper stickers from the April subscription box, and this box was for self-care. So the stickers on it show a lot of rest, relaxation, pajamas, sleep, and whatnot. The next thing I have to do is get set on my sidebar, and I'm looking for a to-do sticker, which I eventually find in the Faith Mini Happy Planner sticker book. I was able to layer that and then write down my to-dos. Now that's down, I'm writing down my to-dos. When I finished that, I completed the verses that I want to pay attention to this week, and I got those from discussion with friends and on my Saturday morning live. Like I said before, I need to feed my spirit with the Word of God, and I wrote down the scriptures that I need to pay attention to this week. Next, I use this sheet from Christian Designs, and I think I got it from Michael's, and put down some things I have to do before the month of May. And that's it, folks. That is what my plan with me looks like. Hopefully this wasn't too long for you guys. But now it is time to begin the day. It is time to begin the day. I've already begun my day with exercise, so I'm feeling great, feeling good, winning already. So I hope you guys have a great week. I hope you're able to take care of yourself, take some time for yourself, rest, sing your song, believe that you are exactly where you need to be, pray without ceasing, rejoice, understand that God has sent you a message that you will succeed. He has heard your prayer and he will provide a way. Do not sit and worry over things that God has already worked out. Focus on him and the rest will fall into place. And that's all I have, folks. Thank you all for joining me. If you would like to purchase an Erin Condren product or life planner, I have a $10 off coupon down in the description box. If you would also like to buy some Simply Gilded washi, I have a $5 off $15 coupon. So there. Make it a great week. Bye.